1. Rinse 1 to 2 cups of basmati rice and soak it in water for 30 minutes. 2. Heat oil or ghee in a pan over medium heat. 2. Add whole spices like bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and cardamom, and fry until fragrant. 3. Add diced onions and fry until they are browned. 4. Add ginger and garlic paste, and fry for a minute. 5. Add your choice of meat, such as chicken, beef, or lamb, and cook until it is brown. 6. Add diced tomatoes, along with any other vegetables you like, such as carrots or peas, and cook until the vegetables are soft. 7. Add your choice of biryani spices, such as turmeric, cumin, coriander, and garam masala, and fry for a minute. 8. Drain the soaked rice and add it to the pan, along with enough water or broth to cook the rice. 8. Stir everything together, bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to low, and cover the pan with a tight-fitting lid. 9. Cook the biryani for 18 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is tender and the liquid has been absorbed. 10. Fluff the rice with a fork and garnish with chopped cilantro and/or fried onions before serving. It is important to note that biryani is a dish that varies greatly, and this recipe is just one way to make it. You can add more spices or use different kind of meat and vegetables to adapt it to your personal taste.